In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer. Whether you're looking to manage different game libraries or maintain separate profiles for various gaming communities, juggling multiple Steam accounts on a single device is a skill worth mastering. First, let's ensure that you have both Steam accounts set up. If you don't have a second account, you'll need to go to the Steam website and register. Remember, each account requires a unique email address, so make sure you have a spare email available or create a new one if needed. With both accounts ready, let's move on to the setup process on your computer. To start, you'll want to log out of your current Steam account. Open the Steam client that's already installed on your computer. In the upper right corner, you'll see your username. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu, select Log Out of Account. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure confirm that, and you'll see the Steam login screen ready for the next step. Now, log into the alternate Steam account. Enter the email address and password associated with the second account, and hit Login. Keep in mind that if you've enabled Steam Guard on this account, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your email. Security is key, and Steam Guard helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once logged in, you'll notice that your library and preferences have changed to reflect those tied to this second account. But what if you want to switch between these accounts easily? This is where Steam's Family Share feature becomes incredibly useful. Family sharing allows you to share your game library with other accounts on your computer. To set it up, you'll first want to ensure both accounts are added as friends on Steam. While logged into one account, click on the Steam menu in the upper left corner, go to Settings, and then select a family. Here, you'll see the option to authorize this computer for family sharing. After setting it up on the first account, log out and sign back into your second account. Go to the same Family Settings section, and you'll find the library of shared games. Simply check the boxes next to the games you wish to access, and you're all set. For those who frequently switch accounts, you might consider using two separate desktop shortcuts or adding both accounts to your computer's task scheduling. This way, each time you want to use the other account, you won't have to manually log out and back in. Creating shortcuts with custom commands automatically logs you into the desired session with a simple double click. And there you have it, a seamless way to manage and switch between two Steam accounts on the same computer. Keep these steps in mind, and soon enough, you'll be navigating between your Steam personas like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!